Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Language Metrics again. I am Mendy with a new cue card. Describe one time when the weather changed your plan. So firstly I'd like to discuss about this thing that it is very important to include the weather and the climate conditions because it is so specific. They have confined you in the topic that what to say about that one. The storyline is yours. I always say that you have to make your own stories regarding the plan changing and whatsoever it was. You were going somewhere, it was a birthday party maybe, or you were having an important task to do, you were going for exam, you were traveling somewhere, or this was only a just an excursion, or it was a visit, it was a tour, whatsoever you want to make. So firstly I'd like to discuss the cues what they have given when it happened. You have to describe in this one that what was the time. It was a month of January, or maybe it was exactly 2019, or if you want to say something that it was so, you can say it was long ago maybe. So you can describe as far as I remember that it was the time of January, I think, of 2007. So whatsoever you have in your mind, firstly you need to discuss about that. Where you were, you need to describe that situation where you were standing and what you were doing that time, what kind of weather it was. So this point is having something, a storyline, that how was the weather and what kind of conditions were there. Was that harsh condition, or it was freezing, or whatsoever you want to say. Next one is explain why couldn't you finish the thing. So you need to describe that what happened actually, and what was the situation. It was harsh condition or whatsoever you have defined. After that you were unable to do that what you wanted to do. So you need to just conclude that I was unable to firstly achieve the last thing that I wanted to. Then lastly what you did at the end, what happened that time. So I have prepared something for you guys. This is the sample answer. I have had many situations in my life when I saw weather changes and changed my plan accordingly. Here I'd like to talk about an instance when I had to change my whole plan due to unexpected change in weather. As far as I remember, it was the month of April 2013. During the summer vacations, my friends and I decided to visit the city of beauty, Chandigarh. Actually, my friend qualified his degree and passed it with flying colors, and he wanted to throw a party for us. He firstly wanted us to visit his hometown, which is nearby my hometown, but we persuaded him to take us to Chandigarh. That was done by us at my home while deciding about that entire plan. We started our journey by my car at sharp 6 in the morning when it was drizzling, and I was able to recognize the spattering voice which was coming from the roof of the car. The wind was blowing faintly. It was some kind of freezing though due to that sluggish rain. What changed our plan was something so awestruck. When we drove approximately 50 miles, it started raining cats and dogs. We all got astonished and scared too from the voice of thundering and rumbling coming from the sky. Water got logged there. Actually, we were passing through the downtown of the city. There, the water on the path was fewer, but when we arrived at National Highway, really it was looking that it sank. Alas, my car stopped and we got entangled on the way and were not able to even get off my sedan. After a while, I checked the engine and the other stuff that I knew about the automobile. However, I did not succeed in that. We finally determined not to look for that path toward Chandigarh and parked the vehicle by moving that slowly and pushing it near the subway where I found less water. I was able to hear that whistling sound made by the air which was blowing swiftly. We reached the nearby three-star hotel by a minicab and just chilled out. Finally, after relishing the scrumptious food, we stayed there that night. On the very next day, I got my car repaired and we came back to home and shared the whole story with others. So this was actually the sample answer, guys, for this cue card. Accordingly, just prepare your own answer. It is not something that I said, it is something the final one that you need to prepare. No, you have to prepare your own situations. Just think about it. When you went somewhere, you visited one of the cities that is actually nearby, or maybe it is far away. You can talk about anything. Just think about the ideas and be with the things that you perfectly know. It is not about something that just check the ideas that I got it. No, just prepare the things that you know from your own mind. Thank you so much. Keep listening, keep sharing, keep subscribing my channel. Thank you everyone.